Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how I repair concrete today. Just a quick little video. We're going to use automotive Bondo, and first thing I'm going to do is kind of figure out how this was supposed to go on to begin with and get a good fit. So okay, that's how he's supposed to fit on there. So we're going to mix up some of this auto Bondo, my handy dandy mixie stick here. It sits for a bit, so I like to get it all good and mixed up. So I'm going to make sure that I have enough of a wad here to make a good cover. That's more than plenty. So we got a dollop there of Bondo. Set that back out of the way somewhere with my stick. And it comes with your cream hardener. This one is blue. Blue, blue, blue. I don't know what the camera is. Like blue, blue. Now there's some type of scientific ratio between the hardener and the goo. But the hardener actually creates a heat chemical reaction, and the heat is what hardens everything when they mix together. But you want to make sure that you get a good mixture on your Bondo, so it's a nice uniform color. So I will continue to mix that. And the thing with Bondo is you don't have a whole lot of time to work with this stuff. Once that heat activation starts going, it hardens fast, which is nice because you can continue working quickly. So, have a nice even blue on there. I'm going to pop the head off, and I'm going to fill in that spot there where the head goes with a lot of this stuff. And we are going to place that head right back on there and give him a good squish. Wriggle, make sure he's in spot. Now, yeah, it'll ooze, but that's okay. Because once this dries, which won't take very long, it'll peel right off on the outside, the excess. And if not, you can use a X-Acto knife or whatever you want to scrape that off. So, boop. Clean off my thing a little bit. Just trust me, you don't want this stuff to harden as much as possible on your palette, on your scraper you do. But these are easy to scrape off when you have like a little scraper. So, once he sets, we will take all of the excess off, sand him up, and he will be good for a new paint job. Now there are a couple of spots on here where you probably can't see it now, but there were some chunks missing underneath of his neck here, which will get either filled in with the Bondo, or if it doesn't, I have a 2-part epoxy called Apoxie Sculpt that I absolutely love, that I will use to fill in the holes, sand it down, paint it, and you'll never know it was broken. So there you go. Have a great afternoon.